Alright, you old smoothie and Rugby 721 and all the rest of you out there who enjoy the burp videos. They've been brewing for a while, so they should be a little bit better. Old smoothie's pretty good, yeah, but it's time for a burp off. Your 800 club against the Bud Ice Club. Here's mud in your eye. I don't chug beer. It makes me throw up. Pretty sure none of you want to see that happen. I definitely don't want it to happen. Throwing up sucks. Let these brew just a little bit, and I'll go back and get my cigarettes. Wish I had a Taco Bell 7-layer burrito right now, but it's like 3 or 4 in the morning and they're closed. What the hell was that? Try that one again. Just the camera just to be a little bit. Can't seem to get any of the really long, good ones out right now. Not sure why. Maybe I need to let them brew some more, or drink some more brew. I'm really not much of a beer drinker. It tends to give me heartburn. I like whiskey, Gentleman Jack. Booker's bourbon's really good, but it's also real expensive. Barrel strength, 120, 130 proof. So smooth, a lightweight like me can drink it straight. Told that boy not to call me. It's my stepson calling. And he should know better. I'm busy right now. He always calls at the worst time for some reason. think I might be getting just a little bit toasty. Yeah, I'm a lightweight. I don't drink to get drunk. I drink because I like the taste of what I'm drinking. Hence, the Gentleman Jack and Booker's Bourbon. Regular Jim Beam works really well. It's pretty good. But I like the Booker's Bourbon better. It mixes exceptionally well with Dr. Pepper. It's like they were made for each other. Oop. It's the gas attack, yay! I gotta wait and get a really, really, really good one. Yeah, pretty gassy tonight, aren't we, dude? Alright, slightly more serious note. Just got back yesterday from up north. Had to run up to Michigan because my mom's funeral. She died. Hence the funeral. That one was kind of liquid. And wasn't as bad as when my dad died, really, because we were expecting this for a week. They really didn't expect her to oh boy, last through the day. A week ago this past Tuesday. I guess that would be almost 2 weeks ago now, but she held on for a week. And so we expected it, and it wasn't a surprise like my dad. My dad was just gone one day, and that hit us all pretty hard. This one we expected it, but it's still, it still hurts, because, she's mom. The world's the greatest cook. Sorry, I mean to get depressing on you. Wow. They're getting kind of liquid, I think. Not at the edge of throwing up yet, though. In case you're wondering, no, I'm not doing all these farts by myself. I got myself a pooter from Jack Vale Films, so shout out to Jack Vale Films. The pooter is great. Get one, they're fun. You'd have all sorts of fun in public with them. Or in private. Kind of like this. Ooh, there was an SBD.